2y, and then that negative 31, I move it over to add 31, like that. What do we divide out of the x squared here?
4.
A negative 4. Okay, now that becomes x squared plus 4x when you do that. So now that's gonna make the x coordinate a negative, okay? Now, if I completely square there, half of 4 is a 2, and 2 squared is I add 4. Now you've gotta take negative 4 times 4. So what do I add over here? Negative 16. See the y squared plus 2y? Half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. So I add 1, and that's gonna be an add 1. So over here, I have the negative 4, and then that's x plus the 2 squared, plus a 1 in front of y plus 1 squared equals 16. 31 minus 16 plus 1 is 16. So you divide by that 16. So you get the negative in front of x plus 2 over 4 plus y plus 1 over 16.
Do you divide by the 16?
Now, normally, we write it is the y plus 1. What if I didn't write them squared? Please don't do what I just did. Make sure they're squared there. So normally, okay, you would go y plus 1 squared over 16 minus the x plus 2 squared over 4 equals 1. So that's sort of the way we've been doing it. Okay, now, do you know where the center of this would be? Negative 2, negative 1. Okay? So we're going to come over here and draw the graph at negative 2, negative 1. Then we're going to go up 4 and down 4. And then we're going to go 2x and 2. We draw a rectangle. And then draw axes. All right, now, is this going to be at the top and bottom or the sides? Okay, if the y is positive, it's up and down the y-axis. So it's gonna be up here and down here like that. So there's your vertex. You're adding the center, you're adding it to the y. So the vertices would be negative 2 comma negative 1, add and subtract 4. You don't have a covertex, you just have the foci. See that 16 and 4, this is a hyperbola. Do we add or subtract them? Add them, right? C squared is 16 plus 4, which is 20. C is the square root of 20. And the foci looks just like the vertices. So it's negative 2 comma negative 1 plus and minus the square root of 20. Now, the other thing that we need are the asymptotes. See that y plus 1 starts it out, equals plus or minus. You go to the center and you go up 4 and over 2. So you go 4 over 2. You can reduce it to 2 over 1 or 2. And then in parentheses, okay, what am I going to put here? That x plus 2. There it is. This is your test. Okay, now, if you were to look at 7, 8, and 9, if you were to look at one of those that were the ugliest for you, that 7, the parabola, or the 8, the ellipse, or the hyperbola, which one are you least comfortable with? All of them? You like the, yes?
I just have a quick question. Going back to number 9, kind of
Uh-huh.
the third line you wrote. Why did you divide everything by 16 again?
You have to set it equal to 1. Yeah, when you do these,
Uh-huh.
when you do any of the ellipse or hyperbola, they have to be
Oh, okay.
equal to 1.
Okay.
So that's why they always end up equaling 1, so that's where we get the center, and then you go out. And these will always end up being perfect squares. Okay? I hate this one, the P myself, and it's not squared. I have trouble with this side over here. You're gonna get 10 questions, every one worth 10 points, okay? Let's do your homework today, okay? Flip to 7-4. We're gonna start at the back. Fifty-three right there, okay? All right. Okay, so we're gonna go 16x squared minus 96x, so get the x's together, minus 9y